For some days, try to observe those people who are always complaining about bad times, about having no opportunity or about their bad luck. These people rarely get much success in life. Basically, I'm reading Complain and You're Defeated. And by the way, this book, Become Habitually Successful, it's an amazing book. If you wish to buy it, check the link in the description below. Okay, so we are back with the second part of our series, Millionaire Mindset. Today I'm going to tell you 3 highly effective habits of highly successful people. So let's get the ball rolling. Highly successful people are learning machines. They think they're never too good to improve. So they learn. They read, they listen to podcasts, they ask questions. They never complain about their busy schedule. Basically, these people understand the moment they become arrogant, the moment they stop learning, the moment they think they know everything, they're gone. They'll be replaced by somebody else. So they are always aware, they are always updated, they always read, they listen, they learn, they execute, because they also realize that learning is not enough. You gotta execute as well. So make wisdom acquisition your moral duty. Get hooked to lifetime learning. Go to bed every night being little wiser. We have this wonderful course, Person to Personality, where we talk about entrepreneurship, investment, public speaking, and personality grooming. Apparently, we meet so many entrepreneurs, and one of the common problems in most of them is lack of courage. Like yesterday, I was talking to some businessman, and he was telling me his expansion plans. He's from hospitality industry, and some of his plans are really wonderful. The problem is, he isn't courageous enough to talk to different people for business expansion. I simply told him this: the single biggest pain in life is a missed opportunity. It's better to take temporary pains and do what you gotta do to be successful. Be it facing camera, be it speaking on the stage, be it talking to different people, be it taking critical decisions. All your dreams can come true if you have a courage to pursue them. Like, I meet so many different people. They say, oh my God, I had the same business idea. But the guy who was more courageous executed the ideas. So what's the point of learning and reading if you do not have courage to execute your ideas? If you hold yourself back, if you're afraid of challenges, if you lack courage, I'm sorry to say, you're gonna live in permanent pain throughout your life. So I would suggest you better develop the skill of courage. As Warren Buffett said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you'll have to work until you die. And highly successful people understand this. That's why they're highly successful. So they develop this habit of investing. They create multiple sources of income. They invest in stocks for long-term gains, they invest in government bonds, they invest in FDs, they invest in real estate, they invest in SIP, they invest in multiple businesses, they invest and reinvest in their own business. But they are patient investors. They understand even a baby takes 9 months to come in this world, so nothing happens overnight. So they are more disciplined, they are more wise, they have patience in terms of investing. As a result, they make abundance of money through multiple income sources. But make sure, before investing in something, you gain ample knowledge. So let me sum up. Don't forget to become learning machine. Wisdom acquisition has to be a moral duty. I know so many people, they have so many ideas, but they are not able to execute it because they lack courage. Make sure you become courageous. And I've also witnessed so many riches to rags stories. Yes, you have heard me right, riches to rags stories, because they couldn't develop this habit of investing wisely. Make sure you become wise investor. If you have liked this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to share this video. If you wish to watch the same video in Hindi, check our YouTube channel Pep Talk Hindi.